Hello, my name is Ferdinand Alexander, and today I'm going to draw one of the machining process for our lab. That is our lab 2, the milling lab. So for today's labs, I'm going to demonstrate on how to draw a machining process. Okay, so basically this is the product that we are going to do. Okay, but I'm going to draw for part 5. Okay, so for part 5 is the contour mill outside. So let me show you the drawing. Okay, so now we are going to start our drawing. Okay, so for part 5, okay, our drawing is about contour mill outside. So this is the part that we're going to draw. Okay, so I'm going to draw just in 2D. Okay, so for 2D, okay, now we start to draw. I'm going to draw a little bit here so that we can see the main things in our drawing. So basically for this part 5, okay, the cutting tool that we are going to use is the new MEW and mill. Okay, so this is our cutting tool, and the description is 16-S16-10-2T, and the number of inserts or flutes that we are going to use is 2, and the size of dimension is 16. And for the LF and LH dimension, we are going to use 100 for LF, and then LH is 26mm. Okay, so that is our description. Okay, now we start to draw. We're going to draw this part. So for this drawing, okay, as you can see, okay, I actually left this out, okay, this corner, to show that for this part, contour mill outside, we are going to do at this corner. Okay, the machining process is at this corner, so I'm going to show you how does it look like. Okay, the machining process. But before that, I have to finish the drawing first for the inside part. Okay. And now I have finished our drawing. So for this 2D drawing, okay, so for this 2D drawing, okay, as you can see, the view is from above. So from above, okay, as you can see from this corner is a little bit bent here. It is not sharp corner, just in C corner. Okay, so for this part, okay, our cutting tool here, okay, this is from above, so it looks like a circle. Okay, our cutting tool will cut at this part, okay, for the contour part here. It will create a curved line here, curved line for every corner in the part. So that is how our drawing. So for the cutter material, okay, we are going to use a carbide, and then the cutting speed is 274 meter per minute, and then our end mill diameter is 16 millimeter, and for the machine max 6000, and then cutting edges of fluid is 2. Okay, and the spindle speed is 5450 rpm, and the chip load is 0.128 mm per fluid. and for the feed rate, we're going to have 1396 millimeter per minute. Okay, so and now we go for another part, that is in part C, that we need to know our estimated time for this machining process. Okay, so to know the estimated time is the length of cut is divided by feet. So the length of cut that we're going to cut for this corner, okay, is 200 millimeter, and then we divided our feet, that is 1396 millimeter per minute, and then we can get our estimated time to finish this process is 0.143 minute. So that is all for our drawing. Thanks for watching.